Jayco has been helping camp-loving people RV for over 50 years. With their innovative design and attention to detail, they create efficient lines like the Jayco White Hawk. A smooth-sided laminate, the White Hawk has the creature comforts you desire with the variety of floor plans you want to see. Before going over some select floor plans, let's take a look at some fantastic White Hawk features. Stepping inside a Jayco White Hawk, the first thing you may notice is the arched interior ceiling, giving you some serious headroom. Installed within the ceiling is a 14,500 BTU AC with directional and closable central AC vents. You can have an additional 14.5K BTU AC, you just need to get 50 amp service as well. On the other end, for warmth, you get a 35,000 BTU furnace with wall thermostat and a sweet electric fireplace. The main emphasis in any White Hawk happens to be one of the most popular rooms anywhere, the kitchen. The cabinets are solid hardwood joined with screwed and glued lumber core styles, and the drawers all have ball-bearing guides capable of handling up to 75 pounds. The deep split bowl stainless steel sink features a high-rise pull-out faucet and drying rack as well. Kitchen appliances include a 3-burner recessed cooktop with oven, a microwave, and an 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge with an option for a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Adding some natural light, every kitchen also comes with a skylight that has a shade. In the main living area, you'll find comfy furniture with a booth dinette that you can option out with a variety of choices, including a freestanding table with chairs or theater seats. The White Hawk bathroom has a porcelain toilet, skylight, and a power roof vent. You'll also find power roof vents in both the bedroom and main living area. Entertainment? Absolutely. You'll find a lot of USB ports and get a 40-inch LED TV plus Bluetooth stereo in the entertainment center. Moving outside, smoothly I might add, with the MORryde step above entry steps, we see the White Hawk keeps the entertainment going with a TV bracket, the 120 volt and cable outlets, plus marine grade speakers with LED lights, all settled under the power awning with an LED light as well. Power continues in the guise of a power tongue jack to make towing, setup, or breakdown easier, and A-frame roof-mounted solar prep with the option of an installed solar power package. For leveling, you'll get 4 stabilizer jacks with sand pads that can be powered if you choose. Storage is ample, and most White Hawks will have slam latches on the front pass-through storage doors. Other great features found on White Hawk exterior include an outside shower for getting the outside off before heading inside, a spare tire you hopefully won't need, battery disconnect to extend your battery's life, pre-wired rear and side backup camera prep for safer backing up, and black tank flush for, well, obvious reasons. An option to consider if you're planning on full timing are the heated tank pads designed to keep your tanks from freezing. When buying a travel trailer, you want to know what's built to last camping season after camping season. And the Jayco White Hawk has Stronghold VBL vacuum bonded side, rear, and slide sidewalls with Asdel composites. It also features a Magnum Truss roof system with one-piece seamless roof material that holds a 20-year warranty and an aerodynamic rounded front profile with diamond plating. Also, every White Hawk comes with the Climate Shield 0-degree tested weather protection that includes a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, double-layer fiberglass bat insulation in ceiling and floor, and double-sided radiant barrier insulation all over. Now that you've seen and heard about the features that make up the Jayco White Hawk and the durability and construction, let's check out some select floor plans, right after I tell you about weight and length. As they run from lightweight, smaller travel trailers to large ones, they will differ a lot, but on average, you'll find they run about 34 feet and an unloaded weight right around 7,000 pounds. Odds are you'll probably need bigger than a half-ton truck to tow most of them. Now let's get into those floor plans with the family-friendly bunkhouse models first. The 25 MBH has double-over-double bunks with flip-up storage as well as an outside kitchen. A large slide-out expands the living area and a space-saving Murphy bed sits up front. Overall, the 25 MBH can sleep up to 7. The very popular 29 BH has double-over-double bunks, a huge slide-out across from an entertainment center with a fireplace, and the private bedroom has plenty of walk-around space plus a private entry from the exterior. Sleeping capacity is up to 9. The 32 BH can sleep up to 9 in comfort. You'll find it has a private bunk room complete with a slide-out and half bath. A campside slide-out opens up the living area, and the master bedroom has walk-around space plus a wardrobe closet. The 32 BH also has an outside kitchen. As for White Hawk models designed with camping couple in mind, we have a few to take a look at. The 27 RB has a good-sized bathroom in the back, large living area slide out, and an angled entertainment center with fireplace. The bedroom is private, has its own private entry from the exterior and a spacious closet. The 27 RB can sleep from about 5 to 6. The 27 RK can sleep 5 and has a very large kitchen area commanding the entire rear wall and back campsite. A large slide out sits across from the entertainment center with fireplace, and the bedroom has a solid sliding door for privacy as well as its own access from the exterior. The White Hawk 32RL has a large trifold sofa against the back wall flanked by opposing slide outs. A kitchen island sits in the middle, and you'll get an entertainment center with a fireplace. The bedroom is large and has a wardrobe slide with space for all your linens. The 32RL can sleep up to 5. It's pretty evident that Jayco White Hawk line of laminated travel trailers has a ton of features you'll love, as well as a wide variety of floor plans to select from, one of which we are sure will please both you and your campground-loving family.